Hello everyone that likes to take hot baths. So it seems as though hot springs are a big thing in Japan because they have a whole Choro-Q line dedicated to hot springs, national hot springs in Japan. I don't have a box. I just got this here and it just came in this blister, in this bag, in this little piece of paper. So I guess first I should get this out of here. I'm guessing this is actually how it was packaged from Choro-Q, but I might be mistaken. I don't know. That was a pain. Okay, so let's take a look at this piece of paper. My goal is to get one of each casting. I took Google Translate to this, and this says like National Hot Springs, and this is a map of Japan here. I could be holding it wrong. I think it's probably held this way. It's obviously not accurate, but I believe it's that way. It's definitely not horizontal. So that's kind of weird. Anyways, I'm assuming it's that way. But anyways, these are all the different springs there. And today we got these two here, this one here, and Translate said this is called Atami Hot Springs. Couldn't make sense of the rest of it though. And then sadly this one just said Onsen or Hot Springs, but not what the name is. Oh wait, maybe this is different. Because the text looks different there. So is there another one? Oh, it's over here. Nope, it's not this one. Well, this is really confusing. Look at this image here in the text. This image is this thing. But look at the front image. This front end is that bus there. So someone wasn't paying attention and these two photos are in the wrong place. Or these two large photos are in the wrong place. So I really don't know which one this is. Right? But anyway, so there's let's see. Oh, I don't have this casting, this weird front end on that one. I think I have the other ones. Oh, it's nice. This says Isuzu, so we know that's like an Isuzu. There's more on the back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look. I don't think I have that one either. So there's still a few more castings that I think I'm gonna have to collect at some point in time. Hold on, let me, if you want to pause, you know, so you can try to track these down yourself. Take a snapshot of that one. Take a snapshot of that one. And so, there's 16 of these buses in this set here. There's no date though. You know, I'm sure it's on the box, but like I said, I did not get a box. I suppose I'll have to keep that piece of paper. Alright, well, with no actual idea as to what these buses are about, just going to go into the actual toy. So they all seem to have these wheels. Some come in different colors, but the actual casting seems shared amongst this whole collection. So there we go, some name of a hot spring. It's pretty slab-sided, not much molded detail. The front end though is highly molded and, you know, painted nicely. Got a license plate, which is cool. The lights are a different color. This side, same as the other, and there isn't even like a door cut. You would think like they'd put a graphic of a door cut, but it's not on either side. So that's really strange. And then the back is pretty lame as well. Just flat and then printed on graphics. That's probably the name of the onsen. Okay, and then this one, pretty much the same effort. And then a little split line there. And then, yeah, just flat again with no door. Flat again. Flat again. The tops are generally the same as well. This one's got little lights up top. A little more detail, I think, maybe on this one. And then both just have HG on the bottom. And then 04 is when this collection came out, I guess. Standard construction of a screw and a tab. The bodies are clear and just painted. And these are pullback toys if you're unaware. Yep. And you can put a coin here to make the thing do wheelies. Alright, so that's those two guys. Let's pull out the other onsen buses I have. They're definitely cartoony looking. You know, they don't look like realistic vans. They don't really even look like buses, mostly. Well, I guess this one, because it has 4 windows. But with 3 windows, that looks like a van to me. Alright, let's see. I have 3 more of these guys. I got this one. This might have been my first one, this green one here. And then that one. So the rear ends are graphically quite similar, these 4, but this one is totally molded differently. This one definitely looks like a large bus. So this is quite unique, this one. It also looks like the grill is a separate piece on that one, whereas these are all molded as one casting. And they all have pretty plain tops on them. Yeah, interesting. But you'll see the wheels, they're pretty much the same on all of them, casting wise. Just the colors are different. Alright, not much else to talk about. Alright, well, I'll have to look back to that piece of paper and figure out which castings I'm missing. And then hopefully I'll get the other ones and finish up one of each casting for my collection. Thank you for watching today, and go take a bath.